Dry skin lacks enough moisture to feel smooth and supple. Rough feeling patches that flake off or appear scaly are common in people with dry skin. It might be itchy, a condition called pruritus, or not. Extremely dry skin will crack and bleed. People of all ages suffer from dry skin. The climate and the products you use are the most prevalent causes of dry skin. You can do a lot to change your skin on your own. So, to avoid using potentially harmful products on your skin, keep watching as we show you our 3 easy and inexpensive skincare hacks for dry skin. Hello, we're SB Natural. It's time for another round of skincare hacks. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell to be updated whenever we upload a new video before we continue. Keep in mind, you're never too old for a makeover, so learn how to treat your dry skin and get the glow. Keep on watching. Scaling, scratching, and cracking are all symptoms of dry skin, which is a bothersome condition. It can happen for several reasons. You may have naturally dry skin, and even if your skin is naturally oily, you can experience dry skin from time to time. Your skin can become dehydrated due to exposure to dry weather, hot water, and certain chemicals. Underlying medical issues may also cause dry skin. Dry skin can be prevented and relieved with simple lifestyle changes. So, here are 3 hacks you can use to get hydrated skin without spending a fortune. Number 1. Reorganize the cleansing routine. Wash your face regularly, but not excessively. It can be very tempting to wash your face if you are hot or feeling itchy. On the other hand, over-cleansing can cause your skin to become even drier, mainly if you use products that contain harsh chemicals. Wash your face no more than 2 or 3 times a day. Avoid washing your face too much. Facial cleansers can be your best friend or worst enemy when it comes to fighting dry skin. As a result, make sure you're using a pH-balanced facial cleanser. Use a fragrance-free, gentle cleanser. Avoid alkaline-based materials, as well as high pH and foaming cleansers. A high pH product will dry out your skin and wear down your skin barrier, causing irritation and sensitivity. It may also contain drying agents such as denatured alcohol. To prevent these problems, make sure you're using a foaming cleanser with a low pH and gentle ingredients. Try niacinamide, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid-based products. Niacinamide is an anti-inflammatory that can help with eczema, acne, and other inflammatory skin conditions. Ceramides aid in the formation of a barrier that prevents permeability. This helps to keep moisture in your skin, preventing dryness and discomfort. It can also help protect the epidermis from damage caused by the environment. These advantages may have anti-aging properties. Hyaluronic acid is well known for its skin benefits, including the relief of dry skin, reduced fine lines and wrinkles, and the acceleration of wound healing. It can also help people with osteoarthritis alleviate joint pain. Don't forget to pat your skin dry with a clean towel afterward. Isn't it true that a bit of improvement goes a long way in terms of skincare? Are you having fun so far? Send this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe now and press the bell icon to receive updates on more skincare videos. Number 2. Select the appropriate moisturizer and apply it correctly. Moisturizing helps prevent skin issues. Maintaining your skin's balance can be as easy as using the right moisturizer. After you've washed your face, apply a moisturizer right away. Moisturizers such as ointments, creams, and lotions work by trapping moisture in your skin. To lock in this much-needed moisture, apply a moisturizer as soon as possible after a shower or bath, drying off, or washing your hands. Applying moisturizer to damp skin will help it absorb and lock more products. Moisturizing the skin keeps it looking young. Your skin's most sensitive areas, such as your face, ears, neck, and chest, replace themselves more often than any other part of your body. These areas are susceptible to dryness due to the daily loss of skin cells. Moisturizing your sensitive skin will give it the boost it needs to recover and remain healthy. Allow enough time for your skin to absorb the products before going to bed, maybe 30 minutes to an hour. Replace your cotton pillowcases with silk ones. The cotton pillowcase absorbs the products on your face. Number 3. Stop causing damage to your skin barriers. The skin barrier, which is the outermost layer of your skin, protects your body from an onslaught of environmental hazards while still maintaining your body's vital water balance. Symptoms like dryness, itching, and inflammation may indicate a problem with this essential barrier. In a climate that is either too hot or too dry, allergens, irritants, toxins, and exposure to harsh chemicals such as alkaline detergents and soaps are only a few of the external and internal factors that can damage your skin barrier. It may also be due to excessive exfoliation or washing and genetic factors that make you more susceptible to skin conditions like atopic dermatitis. Your skin barrier may be slightly acidic. This acid mantle acts as a barrier against the growth of bacteria, viruses, and fungi that can damage your skin and cause infections and other skin conditions. Make sure you don't use too much product on your skin to protect your skin barrier. Over-exfoliating your skin with multiple acids or mechanical beads, for example, can cause redness, inflammation, dryness, and worsening breakouts. Toners that are high in antioxidants and moisturizing ingredients should be used instead. In Asia, they are trendy. Toners containing hyaluronic acid add warmth to the face, whereas toners containing antioxidants prevent wrinkles from appearing prematurely. Just because you have dry skin doesn't mean you can't use a toner. Aloe vera, fruit extracts, and essential oils can provide the hydration that your skin needs. Salicylic acid, and of course high concentrations of alcohol, are two ingredients to avoid since they can both be unpleasant and drying. Items containing denatured alcohol should be avoided. While denatured alcohol isn't harmful at the concentrations used in cosmetics, it can cause extreme dryness and disrupt the skin's natural barrier. According to some reports, denatured alcohol on the skin can cause breakouts, skin irritation, and redness. Those with allergic or eczema-prone skin and those with various skin allergies should use hypoallergenic or fragrance-free products. Fragrance can irritate the skin, causing redness, itching, and even hives. Not all fragrances irritate people in the same way. Reactions are more likely to occur on dry skin. Wrapping up, regular, dry, oily, and combination skin are the 4 primary forms of healthy skin. Genetics, appearance, and environmental factors all influence skin type. When we get older, our skin shifts. Knowing our skin type and how to properly manage it is one of the most critical aspects of our health. It is challenging to have dry skin because it is itchy and painful, so make sure to use our 3 tips to relieve your dry skin. Reorganize your cleansing routine first by using a cleanser that includes hero ingredients and avoiding items that contain harsh chemicals. Wash your hands 2 or 3 times a day. Be careful with your skin and avoid overwashing and exfoliating it. Be patient with yourself. Next, moisturizers can appear costly, but trust me when I say that you don't need an expensive moisturizer to offer your skin the boost it requires to be healthy. Only a fragrance-free cream moisturizer is needed. Before going to bed, give your skin time to absorb the ingredients. Last but not least, stop harming your skin's barrier. Avoid using too many products on your skin, as well as harsh chemicals such as denatured alcohol. It's never too late for a makeover, but now is the time to upgrade your skincare with these hacks. SB Natural is interested in hearing from you. What type of skin do you have? Would you like to talk to us about life-changing skincare hacks per your skin type? Now is the time to leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be updated when we have a new video.